Welcome to Discover Daily by Perplexity, an AI-generated show on tech, science, and culture. I'm Isaac.
And I'm Sienna. Today we're exploring DeepSeek's new open-source AI model that's making waves in the tech world. But first, let's look at what else is happening across the realms of innovation and scientific breakthroughs.
MIT engineers have introduced DrivAerNet++, an open-source database featuring over 8,000 AI-generated electric vehicle designs. This database includes detailed 3D models and aerodynamic data for each design, aiming to streamline automotive development processes. What's really interesting is that DrivAerNet++ is based on the most popular automobile models currently on the market. This ensures that the designs are relevant and applicable to real-world scenarios. The database combines cutting-edge AI techniques with aerodynamic principles to create a diverse range of innovative EV concepts.
So how might this impact the automotive industry?
This resource could accelerate the pace of innovation in EV design. It offers precise drag coefficients for each design, allowing for detailed analysis of vehicle performance and energy efficiency. Researchers and manufacturers can use this data to conduct virtual testing and optimization before physical prototyping, potentially reducing development costs and time to market for new EV models. While the database offers numerous benefits, there are potential challenges to consider. For instance, over-reliance on AI-generated designs could potentially limit human creativity in the design process. Additionally, the real-world performance of these AI-generated designs would need to be thoroughly tested and validated.
Now, let's turn our attention to a major breakthrough in HIV prevention. A new drug called lenacapavir has been named the 2024 Breakthrough of the Year by Science magazine. This innovative HIV prevention drug, developed by Gilead Sciences, is based on research from the University of Utah. What's remarkable about lenacapavir is its long-lasting effect. A single injection provides 6 months of protection against HIV infection. This is a game-changer compared to current daily medications. Clinical trials have shown impressive results with 96 to 100% efficacy in preventing HIV infections.
6 months of protection from a single injection? That's incredible. How does it work?
Lenacapavir works through a novel mechanism that targets the HIV capsid protein. This allows the drug to interfere with multiple stages of the virus's life cycle, effectively preventing HIV replication. It disrupts essential viral processes, including capsid assembly, nuclear entry of HIV DNA, and virus particle formation. This drug could be particularly valuable for populations with limited access to medical care. Its long-acting nature could significantly improve adherence rates compared to daily oral medications. The drug has shown consistent effectiveness across various demographics, including men who have sex with men, transgender women, and cisgender women in sub-Saharan Africa.
That's promising. What's the next step for lenacapavir?
The FDA review for approval is approaching in 2025. Researchers are optimistic about lenacapavir's capacity to revolutionize global HIV prevention strategies and potentially accelerate efforts to end the HIV epidemic. But ensuring equitable access to this drug remains a crucial challenge that will need to be addressed.
Now let's dive into our main story of the day: DeepSeek's new open-source AI model. DeepSeek, a Chinese AI firm, has unveiled DeepSeek v3, a large language model with 671 billion parameters. This model is designed to rival GPT-4 in text-based tasks and has been made open source, available on Hugging Face. According to DeepSeek's internal benchmarks, the model outperforms many existing open-source alternatives and even matches some proprietary models in certain tasks. It's particularly strong in text-based workloads such as coding, translation, and essay writing. The model has also achieved high scores on popular AI benchmarks, challenging both open and closed-source models. Being open source means DeepSeek v3 is freely accessible to developers and researchers. It's hosted on Hugging Face under a permissive license that allows for widespread use and modification, including commercial applications. This approach fosters innovation and democratizes access to advanced AI technology. One of the key innovations is its use of a mixture of experts, MOE, architecture. This design dynamically activates only 37 billion of its 671 billion total parameters for each token processed, which drastically reduces computational demands. The MOE structure consists of multiple specialized expert neural networks, each optimized for different tasks, with a router component intelligently directing inputs to the most suitable expert. It improves efficiency and allows for parallel processing, which increases model scalability without proportional increases in computational costs. This selective activation not only makes the model more efficient, but also enables it to handle diverse tasks more effectively, as experts can specialize in specific domains or data types. Unlike multimodal models, DeepSeek v3 is restricted to text-based tasks. There have also been instances where the model occasionally misidentifies itself as ChatGPT or GPT-4, raising concerns about its training data and potential ethical implications. Additionally, despite its efficient architecture, the model's size may still pose challenges for deployment on resource-constrained systems. These factors highlight the need for responsible use and ongoing research. While DeepSeek v3 offers impressive capabilities, users will need to be aware of its limitations and potential biases. The AI community will likely continue to study and refine the model, addressing these concerns while leveraging its strengths in various domains.
That's it for today. Thank you to our listeners for tuning in to today's episode of Discover Daily. Don't forget to subscribe on your favorite platform. For more info on anything we covered today, check out the links in our episode description. And don't forget, you can now access Perplexity's AI-powered knowledge base on the go with the mobile app, available for both Android and iOS. There's also the Perplexity desktop app for macOS. We'll be back with more stories that matter. Until then, stay curious.